Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. At some two to three people have told me that we just need more clarifications in Binance futures. So I have brought another video for you guys. I will tell you in this video that how to place an proper order. See, guys, first of all, don't be panic that your portfolio can be zero. It can't, because in future trades, all future trades which I am providing you signals, I properly give stop loss, take profit. And then now the question comes that what is stop loss and take profit? Stop loss means the price at which we have loss and it's going down, going down. At a recent price which I have set, at that price automatically the position will be get closed. And take profit, TP, means the means at which point, if I am having, see, now I will give you example. BTC is now 37953. I will set the take profit. I will click on this pencil icon. Now BTC I have taken entry at 37833. Now the market price is 37950. Now I just wanted to book my profit at when the price reaches 3800. See now, if I wanted to close this position at $40,000, see, it is showing that when market price reaches 4,000 40,000.00, it will trigger take profit market order to close this position. Estimated profit and loss will be 4.33 USD. It is telling that when the price reaches 40,000 of BTC, my position will automatically closed, and the estimated profit which will I have, it is 4.33 USD. And if now I wanted to confirm, if I click on confirm, the order will be placed. And another thing I will tell you, last price means which if the BTC is currently 37948, if it is, see, the BTC has been order has been selected, if you place confirm, see, now market is going down and I just wanted to stop my stop loss. So when the price reaches 36,000, automatically my position to be closed. See, when the price reaches, if I press confirm, the price will be confirmed. When price reaches the $36,000, it will trigger stock market order to close this position. Estimated loss will be minus 3.66. It is telling that if when this place comes of $36,000 of BTC, then I will be having loss of 3.66 USDT. So you can create this stop loss and take profit. In every my signals you will be getting stop loss, take profit. So guys, don't worry that your portfolio can be zero. Another thing I will be showing you that what is this button. This corner button is a share button. If you press on this, the picture will make, and you can also send me on WhatsApp that I am having this type of profit, like this. So another thing comes that what is adjust leverage. This, if you have proper any deal, now I have brought 15x and I have to adjust leverage. I can make high leverage also according to my risk. If I make high leverage, I will have many problems. Means my fund can be, if I have no proper stop loss, nothing, my fund can be also get loosed within seconds. So you have to maintain proper stop loss and take profit. And partial profit booking is also there. Partial profit booking means PPB, 50%. In chart I will be giving you PPB. At that price you have to select 50% out. Means I have given the stop partial profit booking of 50% at 3800. So you should do like this. and book 50% profit and keep the position open until I tell you. Another thing comes that what is buy sell. See, I have also told you earlier that buy means long. If we buy the BTC and if the BTC goes up, I will have profit. If I click on sell, sell means short. If the BTC goes down from my buying price, then I will be having profit. Buy means long, sell means short. Another thing comes that that is a futures risky? No, guys. If you try to play with the futures nicely, then nothing is resting. Nothing is hard for you, guys. So don't ever be get scared or having afraid for your money being lost. You will be properly knowing all BTC Binance futures accordingly as much as you played the game with the futures. So guys, the trade which I have given is now in profit of 515 521 BTC profit. I just have given the trade in the group premium membership. So guys, in another video I will be showing you that I will be posting the signal, and I will be also buying in front of you, and I will also choosing you how to maintain stop loss, take profit in another video. I have just given you intro on stop profit and loss and how to adjust leverage. Now, and if you wanted to close this position, I can close this position by clicking that 25% position to be closed, 50% position to be closed. If I select on 25%, it is showing that you will be getting position amount is 75.86 BTC USDT. See, it is increasing, it is going. If I put 100%, then I am having 0.18 USDT just a profit. Okay, if you can also put a limit also here also while closing the position. There are many types of closing the position. So guys, hope you liked our video. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, comment, share with your friends of crypto people. Thank you. It will motivate me to make another video of Binance Future and help you in trading. Thanks guys. We'll meet you soon with another video.